Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a quiz on Wix. So the first step is to click on add elements, then simply click on the search bar and search for quiz. Then what you're going to have to do is simply click on this one here, and then you're going to have to simply add this to your Wix website. But as you can see, this one here, you're gonna need to have premium, but if you don't have premium, you can still search for quiz. And as you can see, we have this one here which has a free plan available, and we can use with free plans on Wix, so you don't really need to have the premium one in order to be able to add this. Now we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up, and then we can simply click on the settings button and we can simply set up our own quiz. So you can simply click on create, and here you can simply click on options, and then you can simply add your questions. As you can see, design, responses, and basically you're gonna have to simply add more content to it. As you can see, you have here the questions, and then you're gonna be able to see the responses right here to see the results. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.